You the box for this aquarium. It says lead beta bowl 2.5, and it's the Smart Clean that I really like. It says here you can change your water using the power filtration. It just pumps the dirty water from the aquarium quickly with little to no mess. So just a couple minutes weekly helps maintain for fish. I'm just gonna change it like once a week. And look at the instruction here. It says remove hood place collection container next to the aquarium. So the hood, which is this one, and then swivel and extend the nozzle to begin pumping water out of the aquarium. Empty 25% of the aquarium water. So it's this part, or so it's this piece that you're gonna be moving the nozzle. Here you can like move it in and out. So it pumps the dirty water out. And then the last step is to retract the nozzle, swivel, and reposition over cartridge. Add clean conditioned water to aquarium until full, then place the hood. So when you're done, you just swivel this nozzle back inside to the filter and you're done. So as you can see, the kit contains the following: a hood with LED, the LED lights, and then it has the aquarium, the elevated base, which is this part. Oh, I think I put it wrong. Yes, I put the base wrong. Hold on. So I think I messed up with the base. The base should be this way.
How much water should you put inside?
Just a little bit of water. So that's yeah, it actually sits snug and fit. And then we got the Betta divider, which is already in, but I need to be careful with that because they said that some Bettas escape from the divider. And then we got the food that came with it, and the water conditioner, and then the setup guide. So when you're done, your Betta bowl should look like this. Oops. There you go. So that's the final look, and we're going to be doing a separate video to transfer some of my plants and some of my driftwood and sand, which I also have extra sand over here, and we're gonna top it with our gravel with this sand, so it looks prettier. And I'm also gonna top the rest of this with the sand because I like the white. So that would be all for our video for today, and I hope you follow, and we'll upload the next video probably next week.